And before that photo, crush ko na siya. And kasi sikat na siya sa social media. Sa private Facebook ko. And then I also posted a couple of screenshots that she followed me also. Kaya proud ako nun. Hanggang ngayon naman. It's not a lack of trying. I was trying.
GMA Tito Boy. Tapos, first time namin to work together sa Unang Hirit. The first 3 times that I hosted, hindi siya yung kasama ko. It just so happened na yung first episode namin, Halloween episode, as yung costume na inassign sa amin, Bride of Chucky and si Chucky. So we played...
Ang pangalan ng bride, Tiffany, di ba?
Yeah, si Tiffany. Yan yung costume